Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog and I hope you all are doing well. Our favorite spot to enjoy breakfast is Ikea. It's kids' favorite. I'll not say it's the tastiest, but there is something special at the restaurant there, and I guess it's the ambience. It's a cozy feel when we have a meal from there, or be it just a coffee. Later, my husband and Arman went to Lulu for some shopping, while me and Rehan head over to the Ikea store for checking out on the new collection there. It was like a holiday vibe there, seeing so many in their Christmas collection. There was some good reduction in price for the items that come under Ikea family. I had noted those in their app and was easy to choose. We'll show you what I bought on the go. Meanwhile, there are crazy fans at home. Arman isn't seen at home as he had gone for playing with his friends. He is a CR7 fan, whereas the rest is Argentina. For me, I like to watch a good football match. One among which I enjoyed watching was the recent one, England versus France. After waking up late, I started preparing breakfast, which expected to have as brunch, but it was almost lunch for us. I prepared Spanish omelette, but this time made it with more spices, or you may call it Indian omelette. In a pan, heat some oil and fry curry leaves and garlic. Let the garlic turn light brown but do not burn it. Then go sliced onion. Saute for a minute. I add sliced potato along with the onion so that it cooks faster. Add some salt. Into a large bowl, break in eggs. I have used 4 eggs. You may add 1 or 2 extra as well if you want. Mix in some salt and pepper. When the potato is almost cooked, add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well. Let it get well combined with the onion and potato. Chop in 1 large tomato. Mix well. Let the tomato go soft. Cover and cook on low-medium flame. If you see it sticking to the pan, add a glug of water and mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix. I had already added salt in this as well as the eggs. This is ready. Let it cool down a bit. Add the onion potato mix into the eggs and mix. Heat some butter in a pan. Here I've used non-stick because I need to flip it to the other side. If you are using a pan that you can place it in the oven, you don't have to flip if you turn on the top coil. Cook this on low flame for around 2 or 3 minutes. Check if this has come together and then flip. Be very careful while flipping. The omelette will be really soft. Then transfer it back and let it cook on low flame for 2 or 3 minutes again. Spread some mozzarella or cheddar cheese for extra taste. I normally buy those rectangular placemats. This time went for an oval shape. Not very happy with the shape though, as it isn't completely resting on the table. The rim is wavy. I don't know if it is meant to be so. I don't cut too many fruits as I know kids won't eat a lot. Later I will have to sit and finish it off. This is another one I bought to place the cutlery on the table. Earlier I used to keep a glass in which all the cutleries will be there, but this helps a lot as it can be divided. Most of the teacups I have is either too small to have or it's bigger than the normal size. Finally got a simple one which I feel is a perfect size for our quantity. And these biscuits were in their Christmas edition, ginger thins. Love the taste of it. So I have tried making it at the end of the video. Keep watching. All the duvets I have are printed ones. I wanted a plain one because most of our bedspreads or the bed sheets that we have are printed. Plain duvets look pretty with printed bed sheets and the other way around. Most of the items I bought were either at an offer price or there was a good reduction being in the Ikea family, and the rest was at an average price. These cushion covers are new in collection. Bought 2. The fitted sheets and duvets are never kept right in the cupboard, and that's because they are folded by my husband as he doesn't have the patience to fold it like how I do all the time. But very thankful of him to help me in the house chores. And if I need this to be seen neat, I will have to fold and keep. The later part will be done by him. But that happens rarely because he takes over the laundry part when I am busy with some other task. Anyways, give a quick cleanup to make it look neat. I know it'll go back to the same, but did it neat for my satisfaction. The pillow covers are all messed up, as the cushion covers are also in here. I kept them separate. This is another one I've been looking for buying from some time. I wanted to give a cozy feel while watching TV, especially when we watch movies late night. The dim light is something I wanted in my flat, but we have bright white lights everywhere. The look isn't finished yet. We'll add more of something which I'm still thinking. few other new items. This is a grater or a slicer, whatever it's called. Haven't tried it though. This golden decorative bowl is at a very affordable rate as it's from the Ikea family. This red tray from the Christmas collection. Now let me show you the recipe of the ginger biscuits I made. Into a blender, add a 3/4 cup sugar. In goes 5 cardamoms, 8 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks. In a bowl goes 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Give a mix and keep that aside. Into another bowl goes in the powdered sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter. Give a mix. Add 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder. Then add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix well. Add this to the flour and knead the dough. Now this will have to be kept in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. I took small size, preferably around 1 or 2 tablespoons, rolled in my palms and pressed. Placed it on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until it turns to a light brown shade. Take it out only after it cools down or else it can break as the biscuits will be soft. They turn crunchy once it cools down. These make a good combination with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Dip and enjoy. So that's all for today's vlog and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Something exciting is coming up soon. Stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.